Okay guys, welcome to Miracles Enterprise. So I want to show you a post I made from my Facebook page. So today I want to talk about how to produce anointing oil from home. So the chemicals needed for this production is edible paraffin oil, which is 100 ml, and color. So the color we'll be using is color yellow, just a tip of spoon. So that is the things we'll be needing. So preparation. The number one thing to do is to get a clean dry pot. Place it on a low heat or fire. Then two, you add your paraffin oil into the pot and allow it to heat up. The number three thing to do is add your color, which is color yellow, into the heated paraffin oil on fire and stir very well. Stir it till everything dissolve and blend very well. Then you bring it down, allow it to cool. So after that, you package your oil. Once it have cooled down, you package it and your oil is ready to be sold out. So this is how to make anointing oil right from the comfort of your home. Most anointing oil in the market is being made from paraffin oil. So do well to subscribe to this channel. Hit the red button down and subscribe to this channel and drop your comments.